Let's go back to the dashboard, to Yeet, gift cards. The first tab is Dashboard, where you'll find all of the gift cards that have been purchased on your site. You will find the code right here, the purchase order, who bought it, the balance, how much of it was used in orders, the expiration date, the recipient, when it was sent. In this case, this is going to be visible if it's a virtual gift card, an option to send the virtual gift card by email, and an option to enable or disable this gift card code on your site. You can also edit the gift cards by clicking here, and you'll be able to modify the gift card. Now, let's say you want to share a gift card code without having that someone purchase the gift card in your store. You can create a code manually by clicking here. We can enter a custom code, or something that's much easier, just generate a code automatically by clicking here. This will follow the pattern that you can configure in the General tab. We're going to get there in a minute. This code is the one that the user has to enter in the cart field to use the gift card credit on his purchase. You can simply complete all the information, set the amount, the current balance, whether it's a virtual gift card or not, the sender's name, the recipient's name. Let's complete this. You can set an expiration date and internal notes. You can just save gift card publish, back to all gift cards, and here we have the gift card created manually. In this case, as you can see, I did not check the virtual checkbox, so it is marked as a physical gift card. This means that the gift card is not going to be sent by email to the recipient. I have to print a gift card with this code and the information I entered when I was creating the gift card, and then ship it to the user. Now we have the General tab, and the first option right here is the gift card code pattern that I was mentioning before. This is where you're going to choose the pattern for any new gift card. Then you have the option to enable the image gallery. This is a great option to let users customize their gift cards even more. I'm going to enable this option, and we're also going to see how to add images in a moment. Here you also have the option to set how many images you want to show. Let's set this to 2. And here's the gift card expiration date. This is where you're going to set how many months after the gift card was purchased it is going to expire. If we just leave this at 0, it means that the gift cards will never expire. This is a global rule, but you can override this rule at a product level, just like I showed you when I was creating the product. Then if we scroll down, we have email options. The emails added by our plugins are visible in WooCommerce email settings. You have the link right here, but you can also set some options here, like showing a button in the gift card email to redirect the user to the site. We can enable this option, and you're going to be able to select the button label. It is apply your gift card code by default, and you also have the option to add your shop logo to the gift cards. So for example, if you don't want to insert your store logo in the images that the users can use from the image gallery, you can just enable this option to automatically put your logo above those images. You'll be able to upload your shop logo right here, and you'll also be able to choose to show it after the gift card image, selecting either left, center, or right alignment. Or you can also choose to show it before the gift card image with the same alignment options. Let's upload the site logo. There. And we're going to scroll down, and we're going to find recipient and delivery options. These are related to virtual gift card delivery. We can choose if we want to make the recipient's info mandatory. Click here. This way, users will be forced to fill in their name and email address. We can also decide if we want to allow users to choose the delivery date or not. If we enable this option, users will see a calendar where they can pick a date to deliver the gift card. So perhaps they're buying it right now, but they're buying it for someone whose birthday is tomorrow, and they just want to deliver it then, they will be able to select tomorrow as a delivery date if this option is enabled. And here you're going to find an option to choose an interval to execute the scheduled gift card delivery. It can be either hourly or daily. If this option is disabled, it will just be sent automatically after it's purchased. If you choose the daily interval, you're going to be able to set a default delivery time to send the gift card. Let's say every day at 5 p.m. And you can also click here to update the cron job that delivers the scheduled gift cards. Then you'll find the card and checkout section where you can choose the position to display the apply gift card field on the card page. It can be before the card or after the card. And you can also choose the position to display the apply gift card field on the checkout page, which can be before the checkout form or after the checkout form. Let's save these options.